and we had always talked about coming down to Jekyll Island. So my sister and her son and wife and Bob and I are the ones that purchased this family retreat.
What I like about it is it's 42.8 yards to the ocean.
Since we do have a garden unit, we thought that was more practical for us since we're not here on a full-time basis.
Our experience with the company that built the units, with the real estate company, has been nothing but exemplary. We've had all of our questions that get answered when we want them to. Quality of the workmanship is excellent.
Yes, I don't think we could be more pleased.
And you can hear the ocean at night. You know, it's just because the traffic that's the other thing. The traffic here is so minimal that the sound is basically what you hear off the ocean.